The Rolling Stones, thankfully, never make their fans wait very long before they receive new music. The band may space out their collections of completely original material years apart, but they have become experts on doling out compilations, re-releases, and live albums, which keep their massive following happy while they work on new music in the studio. This week, the Rolling Stones make a triumphant return to the charts in their native nation, thanks to one of their numerous live albums. Welcome to Shepherd's Bush, the band's new album, came out earlier this month and has already been a smash hit in the UK, the country where the rockers initially banded together to make a difference via music. This week, Welcome to Shepherd's Bush makes its debut on 3 different UK charts. The album becomes another fast commercial success for the band, debuting at number 2 on 2 of the 3 charts it features on. Beginning its run on 2 UK purchase-centric lists, the most recent live album by the Rolling Stones finds itself in the same spot. After its release, Welcome to Shepherd's Bush lands at number 26 on the official physical albums list and the official albums sales chart. While the Rolling Stones' live effort does not do as well on the rankings that concentrate on downloads as it does on those that concentrate on other types of sales, it does make it onto the official album downloads list. The novel Welcome to Shepherd's Bush debuts at number 87 on the list. The tale behind the recording of Welcome to Shepherd's Bush, which took place 25 years ago, is probably well known to those who have been fans of the band for a long time. The performance was recorded as the Rolling Stones prepared to play 2 nights at Wembley Stadium in June 1999, their first London gigs in 4 years, according to a description on the band's website. On June 8, 1999, they announced a surprise concert in London's Shepherd's Bush Empire. In just 96 minutes, a select group of 1,800 fortunate fans got to hear a plethora of rare treasures.